Hey folks, let's take a look at the importance of learning information technology. It is, of course, very important for ones to learn the basics of IT in everyday life. So, if you want to buy a computer, or if you have a computer and you need to upgrade that computer, you need to know what's inside of it. What is a memory? What is a CPU? What is the processing speed? All that information you do need to buy a laptop in a smart way. Same thing if you wanted to buy a cell phone, you need to go out there, you need to know how much disk space it has, how much memory, CPU, the processing, and for some people the camera resolution matters. For some people the applications, how fast it loads, for some people how fast the internet is. There are many things. So all of those things that you see inside of your phone is actually a basic knowledge of information technology. Then moving on, every job requirement. Yes. So regardless if you are in IT or not, let's say if you are in a medical profession or you're a doctor, in a lot of doctor facilities or hospitals, there are these bigger scanning machines like MRI, CT scans, and many other those radiology big machines that actually takes the scan of a human being and prints the report. You read the report, you need to understand how to operate those machines. Maybe there are some technicians that actually qualifies or have the major information or technical information on that machines. But you being as a doctor, you need to know what's the really functionality of that machine, how it operates, very basic knowledge. Same thing if you're in accounting. In accounting, there are so many applications that people use. Those applications run on a computer. What happens if you are dealing with multi-million dollar balance sheets and suddenly your computer is running slow or crashes? You need to know some basic understanding of IT, right? Moving on, career path. Yes, that's one of the biggest one. If you are getting out of the college, you wanted to get into IT, then of course there is no such thing as basic knowledge of IT. You need to know everything inside out of an IT, and that's what this course is going to provide you, everything that you should know about IT. Even for the people who are actually into a different field and they want to switch to a different path, this is the best career path for them. Then business startup. So if you are starting a business for the first time, you do need to know your point of sale systems, what applications you need to run, how much resources you need. If you are putting up the HR applications, the accounting applications, if you are doing some kind of timesheet, you need all those applications. And of course, either you could do those applications outsourced to another cloud company or you do it local. But again, all that cloud, local, hosting, all these keywords, you do need to understand. And the only way to understand those keywords if you have a better understanding of IT. All right, so the next one we have is the side hustle. Yes, so when you learn IT, you will also learn different ways to make money as well, because IT is the field that provides you a lot more opportunities as a part-time aside from having a full-time job. A lot of people are looking for freelancers, people who could help out a short term, or people could work on a little different projects. You could find or you could provide your services through different websites that are out there. Some of the examples are like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com and many others, I'm sure. So when you are in the IT field or when you start learning IT and you refine your skills in IT on a specific field, you can earn as a passive income through these different websites that I mentioned.